fast forward, dog. I even saw you on Creative Control's Battle Rap, dog. How did you meet? Yeah. How did you meet the pros, and when did you start battle rapping?
Yeah, man. Yeah, I love battle rap, bro.
Can I discuss something?
Yeah. Let's go.
About Creative Control and me and NWK.
Okay.
With the track Ifikili Jan.
Okay.
Nigga.
Okay.
I don't have access to my own track.
What? What do you mean now, gang?
We were lucky.
Yeah.
We got them.
You said
they said they wanna do the video for us for Ifikili Jan. Right? It was released. Everybody had access to it.
Yeah.
But then there's people I'm advertising the song to, and they're like, show us the video.
Yeah, I even asked Lika that shit, and he said like, yo, Amajita, that you only see the video if you have a membership on Creative Control, and you have to pay like 10.
Nigga.
You have to pay 10 rand every week or every month.
Wait. You have to have a membership?
Yeah.
Me, bro.
No.
Lika and NWK.
Whoa.